Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation. So let's start with these cards here. We have Five of Fire, Queen of Water and Fortune's Wheel. So Pisces, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are a very compassionate person, guys, kind person, and you are someone who cares for people. You look after people, maybe the people in your life. You are a very caring and nurturing person, really friendly, and you are someone who is ready to help anyone, and whatever difficulties you face in your life, guys, you take it, you deal with it confidently, and you are someone who forgives others for all their mistakes, and you forgive yourself, and you want to move on and heal in your circumstances. And that is what makes you a really cheerful person, a friendly person, and kind and compassionate soul, guys, Pisces. So it may be the way you are. That may be the reason people love you. People simply love to be with you. And you are a very, an experienced person. You know what you are and what will work for you. And maybe even in this relationship, guys, you know what is this person's thinking, or what will be their thought, or what will be their expectations. So each and every one of us, we have our own likes and dislikes, and you are someone with clarity. You know that you have your own likes, own differences, and the other person may have their own differences. So you know how to bridge that gap, work together. So you are a very friendly person, appreciating each other, being really friendly, being really honest, and you are someone who listens to the other person. You listen to their ideas, their vision or goals, whatever they may have. So though you both are different, though you both may have different views about different things, you want to make this relationship work, and you are doing it in a very friendly manner, guys. You are helping each other, and you are really kind with this person, and that may be the reason you are seeing beautiful changes in this relationship, guys. So you are going to get a lucky break. Maybe things were not so good between you both. Maybe some misunderstandings would have been there, but today you are getting that chance to prove your love, or maybe they are getting the chance to prove their love to you. So your circumstances are moving towards something positive, something extremely good, and the reason may be your destiny, guys. Positive destiny may be the reason for these changes happening in your relationship. So we picked one card for your Star. So again with this card, it just means that your hopes and dreams are manifesting today, guys. Pisces. So whatever you have wished for yourself, you are going to see that in your situation and you are going to feel extremely happy for it. So for your career situation, Pisces, we have Page of Air. So with this card in your circumstance, guys, you are someone really skilled and talented, and today you may have new ideas bubbling, and you may you are quite curious to do something different today, maybe take something different, do a different kind of work, experiencing something new in your work situation, guys. So curiosity is what is going to take you towards something new, something that may work beyond your imagination, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Pisces, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys, heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says beyond the threshold of fear. So in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self-imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear. And you no longer want to be the victim. You want to, move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship, you have some fears. That is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that. And you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying. And you are going to, feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have. And fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.